When it comes to creating a cinematic experience at home, having the right projector can completely change the game. The NEBULA Cosmos SE projector is designed to deliver an easy-to-use, large-screen experience without the hassles of traditional projector setups. Unlike older projectors that require complex adjustments, multiple cables, and precise positioning, this model emphasizes simplicity, portability, and smart functionality. Setting up the Cosmos SE is straightforward. Once you place it on a flat surface and power it on, it instantly begins aligning the image with automatic focus and keystone correction. This smart calibration ensures that the projected image fits your wall or screen perfectly, reducing the frustration often associated with traditional projectors. The process is seamless and quick, making it feel more like operating a high-end smart TV rather than a projector. Design-wise, the Cosmos SE keeps things modern and minimal. It has a clean, compact body that doesn't take up much space and fits naturally in any living room, bedroom, or office environment. The portability factor is enhanced by the included NEBULA Cosmos SE travel case, which protects the projector during transportation. This case is perfect for taking the projector to a friend's house, backyard movie nights, or even business presentations. The visual performance is impressive for its class. The Cosmos SE produces bright, sharp images with vibrant colors and solid contrast. Whether you're watching movies, streaming shows, or playing games, the large screen projection creates an immersive experience that traditional TVs can't match. Lowering the lights brings out deeper colors and improved contrast, providing that theater-like atmosphere that makes content more engaging and enjoyable. One of the most compelling aspects of this projector is its flexibility in screen size. Unlike a fixed TV, the projection can be scaled to fit almost any wall, giving you the freedom to create a smaller image for casual viewing or a massive display for movie nights. Action sequences, sports, and video games feel more dynamic and immersive when displayed on a screen that fills your visual field. The built-in smart system further enhances convenience. It allows direct access to streaming apps without requiring additional devices, keeping the setup clean and cable-free. You can jump into your favorite movies, shows, or online content almost instantly, which is a major benefit for anyone who values simplicity and efficiency. Audio performance is another area where the Cosmos SE surprises. The integrated speakers provide clear dialogue and decent bass for casual viewing. While external speakers or a soundbar can elevate the experience, the built-in audio is sufficient for everyday entertainment, whether it's movies, streaming content, or gaming. Portability is where this projector shines. The combination of compact design and the included travel case allows you to use it in different settings effortlessly. It works for indoor setups, outdoor movie nights, and even professional presentations, giving it a versatility that many fixed home theater systems cannot match. Overall, the Cosmos SE blends portability, convenience, and high-quality performance. It's a great option for those who want a big-screen entertainment experience without the complexity of installing a traditional projector. Whether you want to enjoy cinematic movies, immersive gaming, or streaming content, this projector provides a simple and effective solution. If you want to buy the NEBULA Cosmos SE projector with the travel case, check the link in the video description to find the latest pricing and availability.